Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in a coffee maker. Measure coffee and water precisely, use fresh beans, and follow machine steps. Rinse basket, add filter, add grounds, pour water, and start brew. Adjust grind size and strength, preheat the carafe briefly, and taste to tweak your method over a few brews. I'll share common mistakes to avoid and simple tips that make every cup better. Fresh beans and the right grind are foundational to great coffee. Start by selecting a roast you enjoy and buy whole beans, then grind just before brewing. Use a medium grind for standard drip coffee makers and adjust slightly finer or coarser to change extraction. Store beans in an airtight container away from heat and light, and measure consistently for repeatable flavor in every pot you brew. Water quality and temperature matter more than many people expect. Use filtered water heated to just off boiling and pour evenly over grounds if your machine allows. Rinsing the paper filter removes any papery taste and preheats the basket to maintain brew temperature. If using freshly roasted beans, allow a 30-second bloom before full brewing to release gases. Small adjustments in time and ratio will
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.